Ready to turn those Temu earnings into actual PayPal cash? Let's get right to it. First, open the Temu app on your phone and tap on the U tab, usually located at the bottom center or right corner of the screen. Next, look for the Earn Credits and Free Gifts option. Tap on it to proceed to the next stage. Alright, you should now see your Temu credit and cash balances. Locate your cash balance and click on the Withdraw button right below it. This page shows your withdrawal options. Select PayPal as your preferred method, then you may need to link your PayPal account to Temu if you haven't already. Just follow the prompts to securely connect them. Now, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Be aware of any minimum withdrawal amounts or withdrawal limits and confirm all the information is correct. Review the withdrawal details carefully, then click the Confirm button. Your funds should be transferred to your PayPal account within a few hours or days, depending on Temu's processing times. And that's it. You've successfully cashed out your Temu earnings to PayPal.